Hello everyone. Today I'll be talking about key analytic skills that are shaping decisions in the corporate world and why mastering these skills can make you a valuable asset in any organization. Number 1. Thinking skills. Every successful analysis starts with structured thinking. It's about breaking down complex problems into smaller, manageable parts. For example, Amazon noticed a drop in Prime subscriptions. Instead of jumping to conclusions, their analyst identified the root causes such as pricing, delivery speed, and content availability and provided actionable solutions. Number 2. An analytics mindset. An analytics mindset means making decisions based on data, not gut feeling. Take Netflix for instance. Instead of guessing what viewers want to watch, Netflix studies viewing patterns to recommend shows, which has been key to their success. Number 3. Data handling and cleaning. Before analysis, data must be clean and reliable. Tools like Power Query help professionals do this without coding. A retail chain, for example, cleans POS data from hundreds of stores before analyzing sales trends to ensure accuracy. Number 4. Excel and spreadsheet analytics. Even in the age of AI and advanced tools, Excel remains a powerful tool for quick analysis. Procter & Gamble uses Excel models for demand forecasting, ensuring the right products are in the right stores at the right time. Number 5. Statistics and data interpretation. Statistics helps us distinguish real trends from random noise. For example, pharmaceutical companies like Pfizer rely on hypothesis testing to confirm the effectiveness of new drugs before launching. Number 6. Data visualization. Visualization makes data easy to understand and drives quick decision making. Airbnb uses dashboards to visualize booking trends, which helps manager adjust pricing in real time. Number 7. Business analytics and problem solving. Analytics is not just about numbers, it's about solving business problems. For example, Uber uses demand data to adjust pricing, balancing supply and demand effectively. Number 8. HR analytics. HR analytics helps organizations retain top talent. For example, Google uses predictive analytics to identify employees at risk of leaving and takes action to keep them engaged. Number 9. Marketing analytics. Marketing success depends on analyzing campaign performance. For example, Coca-Cola uses marketing analytics to track social media sentiment during global events like the World Cup, ensuring the right ads reach the right audience. Number 10. Operations and supply chain analytics. Efficient supply chains are powered by data. Walmart uses analytics to optimize inventory levels across thousands of stores, minimizing stockouts and reducing waste. In conclusion, analytics is no longer optional. It's the backbone of smart decision making in every business function, whether it's marketing, HR, operations, or strategy. These skills empower organizations to stay ahead in a competitive world.